On December 7th, 2024, we put out a video discussing China Southern's intentions to sell its entire Boeing 787-8 fleet. Given the continuing rise in travel demand at the time, combined with delivery delays for new aircraft, we thought this would have been a quick and easy sale. Well, those aircraft are still with the airline, and due to ongoing trade tensions between the United States and China, the decision has been made to suspend the sale of those Dreamliners. As reported by CH Aviation, China Southern Airlines has paused its plan to sell 10 787-8 Dreamliners. The reason? Uncertainty surrounding their replacements. While we found out about the carrier's intention to sell the jets back in December, it was only in April 2025 that the airline formally listed them on the Shanghai United Assets and Equity Exchange. Unfortunately, the carrier has had to perform a 180 and suspend its listing. Somewhat recently, on April 11th, China Southern Airlines exchange filings said it had suspended the sales, citing, quote, the existence of matters affecting property rights transactions. The bigger reason for this move is the trade war between the United States and China. The Chinese government has imposed a 125% tariff on imported US manufactured goods, while at the time of making this video, the cumulative tariff on Chinese goods coming into the United States is 145%. With tariffs being so high, they might as well be sanctions, as few importers on either side would be willing to pay more than twice the value of a product to get it into the country. But that's not even an option for Chinese carriers wishing to take delivery of American-made aircraft. As we reported on April 16th, the Chinese government has ordered its airlines to stop deliveries of Boeing aircraft, essentially a ban. Reports had also indicated that aerospace parts from the US were banned as well. In the case of the China Southern Boeing 787-8 sale, along with the sale of some spare engines, it's not totally clear to us what the phrase, the existence of matters affecting property rights transactions, actually means. However, most media outlets are highlighting a connection to the trade war and highlighting that the carrier, along with other airlines in the country, will have a difficult time getting new aircraft as replacements. While we don't know exactly what those new aircraft are or were going to be, Bloomberg says that China Southern had, quote, planned to replace the US-made wide-bodies with larger, newer planes better suited to China Southern's long-haul network. This could have meant more 787-9s or -10s. Out of China Southern's 10 787-8s, Planespotters.net lists one as being parked long-term. The jet is registered Bravo 2725 and hasn't flown since early December 2024. All other 787-8s remain quite active. What do you think of this move by China Southern? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.